and I bet
What?
$1. I
You
picked about
what?
I picked about 4 or 5 different players to have a certain amount of assists, a certain amount of rebounds, and all them motherfuckers hit. And if I'd have had more money, I'd have won 500. But because I only had a
God,
dollar, I only won 50. I only won
bro,
50 last night.
bro, you good? You good, bro?
It only had, if I would have bet 10. And 10, if you did just do the math, 10 would have got me 500. But because I only had a dollar to bet, I only got
You
50.
really you telling me that dollar made you that much, boy? I
I'm telling you the
man
truth.
say,
I'm telling you the truth. Shit.
man,
Yeah, man.
God, dog, man say I don't do cash out, but I find a way to give you some money. You can pay for me. You can pay for me,
The way you
man. You
do it,
doing
do
good?
trust me. Hey, trust me. It is so simple. Trust me.
Cause I
All I got to do, if you ever want to try it, all I got to do is get your phone number and email you the link. And if you follow my link, you get free money to bet with. Everybody that's new, you get $50 out the gate free to bet with. You can't take it off and deposit it. You got to
yeah,
use it to bet.
you gotta
And if
use
you
it, try to yeah.
and if you win
If
with
you
the
hit
money,
it,
whatever you win, you can take that
it
money off.
pay.
But they give all new people $50 in free bets. And then if you follow the link,
Ooh,
I get $50 too. So we both get free money to bet with.
yeah.
If you
Damn, that's what's
so
up.
it's simple, bro. I ain't really
Yeah, get you in that zone of hey, paying attention to them games too. You gotta watch them. Yeah, don't see if you go
start
hit.
knowing all the players who out, who gonna be
Yeah,
questionable,
see
who's
if
gonna
they
be
really
playing.
go, how much that rebound is and woo. Yeah, you gotta hey, you gotta be on your game.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's what's up, man. It's
So
like I'm
even though
like,
even though
damn,
your even though your team might not be in the playoffs, you
but
can
it's about
still
it's about
still
you
bet on
picking out
individual
who doing
players.
good.
Yep, you can still bet on individual players. You ain't got to bet straight up like
Oh,
Dallas gonna win. You
damn,
can bet
that's
on
what's up.
this player gonna rush for this many yards. This player gonna have this many catches. This
So you
player
just
gonna
go,
have this.
you could just go on stats and
Yep, you can create.
everything.
It's called a parlay. You can create your own parlay.
What?
Yep. So
Oh,
your
you
team,
said,
your
oh, it
team,
was
your
at a
team might
dollar.
be your
It's at a
team
dollar,
might
man.
be.
What the fuck?
Yep,
I got
you
that.
better check it out, man. Check it out. I'm
Damn, that's
telling you.
what's up, bro. Man, game on game, man. For real, man. Shit, because my old school partner, he was telling me about it too. You know what I'm talking about? But shit, that
Yeah.
sounds good in the world, man. Say, like you say, you just go the game of the hey, it'll have you on point.
It's
Yeah,
hit,
man. Shoot.
it's
Everything
hit or
like a
miss.
horse race.
It's hit or miss. I don't gamble too much. I'll take twenty
No, that's
dollars.
making money. That's
I'll take
making
20.
money
This is what
out
I'll do. I'll
your,
take
your
$20.
dollars.
I'll take
Damn.
$20 and
Uh,
I'll break that $20. I'll break that $20 into 10 $2 bets. Or sometimes if I got a good hunch, I'll take the whole 20 and put it on one bet, but I don't never use more than $20.
that's
Sometimes I
what's
have a
up.
20. I have $20. I bet $3 on this, $2 on this, until till the $20 is gone, and then see where that shit
Yeah,
hit. And
I
and
feel you, bro.
as long as I get my,
Damn.
of course I
So,
want to win more, but as long as I get my $20
I'm
back,
getting my
that's all
money
I'm worried
back.
about. That's all I'm worried about. I can keep betting. You know what I'm saying? Live to fight another day. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
man. You get my money back. I'm gonna win on some of the.
Now, what I hate is when I don't hit
Yeah.
none of them bets. What I hate is when I don't hit none of them bets and I lose the whole 20. I'll be like, I
Okay,
ain't
you got
hit
me
not
one.
one bet. I'll be pissed. But at the end of the day, I
I
still
gotta
only
win
lost
on
20.
some.
Hey, but
For real, man.
at the end of the day, I'm still only losing $20.
Okay,
You know what I'm
20,
saying? But
but you
but I can
gaining
win
more.
thousands. I can win
That's what I'm saying.
thousands off
On
that
20.
$20 if I hit the right shit. That's what I'm saying. That's how broke
Yeah,
niggas think.
I
Hey,
feel you, bro. It's
that's how
all about paying attention what
that's
you're
how the
doing.
working. I'm a working class now. I ain't no
I feel
baller.
you, man. It's like you gotta
That's
put
how
that.
broke
Hey,
niggas
you
think.
your own sportscaster. You know,
For
cow.
sure.
You your own sportscaster, so you just you paying attention. Yeah, I think he gonna do such and such today. Boom, boom, boom. Put that to your knowledge and see he gonna do his job. Bars. It's just like a horse race. I'm like, damn, already, man. Get that gamble in, man. And it's
Sometime if I need some
it's
gas
free.
money or I need me a pack of backwoods, I need to get me a little something. Get on that FanDuel. I need to win about $100 right quick because I need some backwoods.